How to fix Instagram Live option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. Next, check if your account has live access, as some accounts temporarily lose access to live because of community guideline violations or copyright strikes or spam-like activity or age restrictions or new account limitations. Here, you can then go ahead and open your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on the account status option, and if restrictions appear here, then live may be disabled temporarily. Additionally, in order to fix the issue, you can simply go ahead and force quit the Instagram application by simply swiping up and exiting the Instagram application and then reopen the app. This will fix temporary glitches in the live option. Additionally, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and make sure to tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as this will clear corrupted cache files that often cause missing features. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again, tap on apps option on the bottom and then tap on Instagram, and in here, go ahead and make sure camera and microphone permissions are toggled on, and if not, then toggle the toggle buttons for camera and microphone on, as Instagram Live requires camera and microphone access. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also simply go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application and delete the app and then reinstall the app again, as uninstalling and then reinstalling the app downloads fresh files and often restores missing features. See if that helps, and if not, then on your Instagram, you can simply try to switch your account type. So if you are using personal, you can use professional account, or if you're using professional account, you can use creator account, or you can also simply switch back to a professional account. See if that helps, and if not, then tap on your profile icon again and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom and then go ahead and tap on the log out option and log yourself out and then log back in again, as this will refresh your session and can help you in restoring missing tools, including live. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram Live option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.